I'm on. First cast on the sand eel. I'm on again. Oh. Uh-oh. Alright, bolting down the hatches.
Back in June, I spent a little over a week in Maine with my family. Since we were staying on the coast, my goal for the trip was to catch my first striper on the fly, and maybe even catch a big one that would put up a real fight. I'm still pretty new to fly fishing, so as soon as I landed and got settled, I headed down to the beach to try and get a few practice casts in and to work on my double haul. I had no idea I would accomplish all my striper-related goals that first night.
Oh wow, they got a nice one. People are catching. Oh, I'm seeing fish out there. Oh, come on, come on. That was a huge follow. Come on. Holy. There's fish right in here right now. Come on. Small, but I'm on. What is this? I don't think it's a striper. Oh no, it is. No, what is this? It's like a shad. Almost looks like a tarpon. Huh. That was interesting. A little warm up. I'm just straight up walking in the water in my pants right now because can't quite reach them. I'm on. First cast on the sand eel. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh, this is a big fish. Or at least it's not small. Feel some good head shakes. He's coming at me. Let's try to get him to shore. Oh, heck yeah. It's not bad, at least. Okay, come on. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna get a look at you. Okay, come here, come here. Oh, Excuse me, ma'am. Is there any chance I can get you to take a photo of me with this fish? Thank you. Let's get him back. Okay. Let's see if I'm chafed up at all. It doesn't feel like it. That's what finally got him. A little 3.5, 4-inch sandy limitation. First cast in this little pocket, so can really only hope there's gonna be more. Oh, I'm on again. I'm on again. Oh. I'm on again. This might be a real one. This might be a real one. Big head shakes. Big head shakes. Hopefully this isn't just a tiny little guy, but feels pretty heavy. He's not gonna like it when he sees. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. This is a big fish. Tighten the drag, he's still pulling out. That's a good fish. Oh man. Come on, buddy. Let me get a look at you. Even better, let me get a picture with you. That's a nice fish. I'm gonna have to retie after this one. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let me get you. Oh my gosh. That's a cow. Let's see if we can get a measurement on this guy. I'm gonna let this guy catch a breath. Look at this fish. That's a hoss for this area. That's got to be 30 inches. That's probably my biggest, that's got to be my biggest fish on the fly ever. Yeah, make sure the lens should be clean, but please make sure it is. Dude, it's like 30 inches. Come on, kick away, kick away. Oh. Oh. Let's see if we can find any more before we call it, because there's a storm coming in and we got dinner coming up. This is just a quick evening session, way more successful than I've ever been at this spot or in Maine with lures in general. This is cool. First striper on the fly, first time catching 2 decent ones on artificial. Hopefully it's only gonna get better.
Alright, that's what we're rocking with here.
Oh yeah.
My lights and my darks. Beautiful. All right, little guy.
Cool.
Dude,
Nice job.
all right, that's good. Signs of life.
Signs of life. I think I'm gonna go back to the sand eel.
Great.
Yeah. Feels like a confidence bait right now.
Yeah, man, you gotta trust your fly.
I'm on.
I like it.
I don't have enough experience to be able to tell you, but it's not light. But it hasn't really ripped yet, so. I'll pull them to you. Actually, I might have them.
All right, man, go for it.
Appreciate it. Oh yeah, it's a good size. Nope.
That's a nice striper. They're so healthy.
That's a beaut. I'll pop this guy back.
I spent the next week straight fishing nearly every sunrise and sunset, searching for more striper. I did just about everything. I wade fished, fished off the rocks, off of cliffs, even in the marsh, but I couldn't find a striper to save my life. I mostly just got beat up by waves and occasionally lost gear or got soaking wet, but it's hard to be bothered by the lack of action when you're surrounded by scenery like that.
Uh-oh. Alright, bolting down the hatches. Whew. Wow. Oh, that one hit me good.
The only thing I caught throughout the remainder of my trip was a few shad, which gave me false hope every time they hit.
I'm on. Yeah. Real small, whatever it is. Yeah. Another shad. Hey, you talk about bait. Hey, go grab a giant hook. Oh, it's a shad. You're joking me. I guess it's better than not catching, but not by a lot. Oh, that was another one. Another shad, huh?
I'll be back next summer, and hopefully I'll find a few more fish, and maybe even a new personal best.
It's like I've caught more shad this trip than I have striper.